Hello everyone. Today we are going to experience some rain and thunder. Yesterday we asked Alexa what the weather will be and it said that it will be thunder and rain as expected. So now it is actually raining. So let's just experience some thunder and rain, okay? I'm going to open the window. Let me take like this. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that is a lot of rain, so you can see. Okay. There is a lot of rain over here. Oh my gosh. It's raining. It's raining heavily. I think it will be a flood again like the yesterday 2 days. There was a flood right down over there. And I know the experience. It's raining super hard. So it is very difficult to travel during the rain. And especially a rain like this. And it has been raining from the previous 2 to 3 days. Experience it. So I think there will be a thunderstorm, but right now currently it's raining very hard, and I think you can see the rain if the camera is good.